YEC, the global leader of efficient, flexible, and reliable hard drive duplicator and erasure tools you can rely on for over 28 years. Deca YG2801 rack system, a hardware-based erasure and diagnosis for volume tasks. This is an ideal solution for data center, ITAD, e-recycling, RMA recertification, and manufacturing. Built on the SATA 3 technology platform, YEC rack system wipes digital data on hard drives and SSD fast and securely. It also repairs damaged weak sectors. Because rack system is a hardware-based solution, not software, it won't degrade processing speed whether there is one drive or 80 drives. High density of hard drives in small footprint is one of the rack's system's best advantages. It has 80 port connections of SATA and SAS drives in a chassis. Each channel performs erase on a target drive independently of other channels. After the drive passes, you clear the channel, disengage the drive, and start again with a new drive. You don't have to wait long until the slowest drive finishes in order to start with a new batch of drives. Even more, rack system doesn't require power cycling to clear an error channel that typically wastes many hours of other channels that are still in process. That's how the independent operation works. It takes only 1 minute to initialize all 80 ports for erase tasks. Just press the power button. 1 minute, you're ready to go. YEC rack system requires one PC for host software. Host software sends script commands to channels and lets hardware components execute the rest. Monitoring the progress, host software generates logs of every step during the process and creates CSV database and erase reports after the script completes. You can set up a PC near the rack system or in any room using Ethernet connection. Hard drive autoloader makes connection with a port so quick and easy. You don't need to touch cables at all. No more manual handling of cables. All around the system, cables are neatly organized and avoid exposure to human traffic. The only cable coming out of the unit is a power cable to the wall. YEC rack system is delivered with built-in scripts. Along with diagnosis scripts, erasure scripts include NIST standards, DoD, secure erase, test and repair, and so on. All the scripts with rack system are customizable to meet everyday changing technology advancements and customer-specific requirements. You can create a new script or modify existing scripts as well. From the drop-down list, select a script and run. Again, each channel operates independently of other channels. You can run separate scripts side by side simultaneously. It really doesn't matter whether it is SAS or SATA. This simple orientation requires bare minimum training for new operators. Being on a self-contained system, you can save on energy bills and reduce noise levels. YEC rack system. It's the hard drive SSD erasure tool you can rely on.